Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to be talking about bookmarking content in the Bluesky app, for instance, on your Android. So let us get started right away. So in the first step, launch the Bluesky app, and let me reveal to you that it is actually not possible to bookmark content or posts published by other users on the Bluesky application unless you do that on the web application using an external extension for that, for instance, via Google Chrome. If you do this on a mobile device, guys, there's actually only one way to bypass this. The only way to do this would be to simply pin your own post on your own profile. For example, if you'd like to highlight a specific post and make it appear at the top of your profile anytime so that it is visible for anyone who's visiting your profile here on Bluesky. So to do that, simply head over to your profile by tapping on that profile icon in the bottom right corner of your home feed. And what you want to do next is go through your posts and pick the post you would like to pin/bookmark. So let me go with that one here for demonstration purposes. Simply tap on the three dots below the given post and select pin to profile here at the top. And that is going to pin the given post to the top of your profile. Alternatively, you may unpin the given post by simply tapping on the three dots again and by selecting unpin from profile here at the top. And that's all to it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.